In this problem, we'll simplify an expression by removing parentheses. We're asked to simplify 5x minus the quantity 3x minus 7. Now, in order to simplify this, I need to subtract the quantity 3x minus 7. We can think of this as writing 5x and adding the opposite of 3x minus 7, which means we would change the sign of both 3x and the minus 7. Since I have 5x minus a positive 3x, I write 5x minus 3x. And I can think of this as 5x minus a negative 7, and I write plus the 7. So I change the signs of the 3x, that's a minus 3x, and the minus 7 to a plus 7. This is an equivalent form, so I can now simplify by combining any like terms. 5x minus 3x is 2x plus 7, and that's as simple as I can write it.